saying in clear terms, justice for Mohbad is non-negotiable. It's sacrosanct. Look at, let me start. I want to play some certain things for you guys tonight. I want to start with this one. You can see how terrible. If you're not called for this job, if it is not your calling, if I don't have a vision, I would have backed off a long time. But because what I am doing is very important, it's necessary in the nation of Nigeria. You know, a lot of propagandas and conspiracy theories will always come up. People will always speak up things that are not true to make up whatever is the brain is supplying. I can see clearly people will say, President in Venezuela. Nobody is ever asking that. Have they been coming to pick Venezuelan citizens to America for investigation or prosecution before? President in Venezuela, now called be American citizen, Venezuelan citizen, come to North America. So the same thing would apply to the president. If you want to go to America to pick an American citizen, you dare not. There is a process and procedures you have to go through. So you cannot go in there to pick a single American citizen. So it's not just that you cannot go in to pick American president. The same way you cannot pick American president is almost the same way they give the same value to an American citizen. That's number one thing you should know. Number two, just go on your Google. Once of Venezuela need oil. Oil is not in love at all. America will want to like your joy. But the fact remains that go and check how much is Venezuela collecting from America in terms of foreign aid. Now, this foreign aid, still for Venezuela, Nigeria, do you think just for their own tax? It's because when you people have your own resources, you are not using it well. Build our experts, train our money. You didn't invest in your children to be able to, go into research the way China, Russia, and those ones train their own children. You keep putting politicians, you keep pressing politicians that will only be scooping your money. And at the end of the day, the little tobacco they will use it to take care of, don't forget. All of you know, they send the citizens in Los America. All of you, you destroy your country, and your citizens rush and run to America almost every day. Oh, the America have told you our citizens in the world. Do you know how many of Venezuelans, Nigerians, Ghanaians, and all of that don't seek asylum in the US? That the US government will have to use their money to take care of them. They will feed them, they will accommodate them, they will take care of their health. They will call ambulance, they will go to hospital, they will want to get protected by the police. Yet, you will come out and say America is interested in your resources. Are they also interested in your people too that you are sending to them that you refuse to take care of them in your own country? So when they say fix your country, if you are fixing your country and you are using the resources on your people, then there is no way they want to come and take because they will realize you are not using the resources to take care of your people. And your people are traveling to America, then you will need to play a part. Most of these people, they get to political power because they believe they have the ability to take lives only. And the same citizens will praise them, will lick their asses. When it turns out to be that that person is not doing the right thing and they are interested, they will come. So all these things we must be able to put in our mind to think in the right way. Are people that they ensure that they are taking care of their citizens. They ensure that everything is working well. They improve on their children generation. They invest heavily on the education of children. those that want to go into research, they ensure that they even put money down. Brilliant ones, they quickly give them scholarship. Most of the children that are giving scholarship in Nigeria, foreign companies, not looking for scholarship. How many children are Globacom giving scholarship? But most of these foreign companies, they start looking at children in all these big schools. All our schools taught him any brilliant children there, they'll say, boy, don't worry, they'll start paying for the child's school fees. Don't worry, we are paying for it. Immediately the boy gets to university, they'll pay for university too. Immediately the boy, if it is to stay in Nigeria and work in the company, stay. If you want to go abroad, they'll carry you. Because our own country is not fixing things like this. And that is why somebody like us will continue to speak and say, let's fix our country. That's why when I was decorated as a human rights ambassador, the priority is your country. My patriotism is for my country. I refuse to go and get any grant anywhere for now. I said 5 years I want to stay away. Despite the fact I came clearly because the cases was already nosediving. I didn't know how deep it is, but I know that immediately I start, I can't go back. And when I came in, I saw the whole stuff. I have no financial resources to pursue it. Sickness. I have to start pursuing it. And I didn't want to say, let me start doing it on my own. I thought it's still the same human beings, same Nigerians, same justice seekers that are going to be supporting. Okay, let me rely on them. So that I want to look at every government. But what you see, we should don't rely on resources up to push it. Until to push it, because I don't want anything to come and investigate it. And they start changing story and say, oh, you are being financed by no. I don't want that nonsense. That's why a lot of people thought there is no substance, there is no pedigree, and there is no structure on ground. No. It only came because the spirit of the boy feel like, no, yes, 5 years is what you targeted. But I need you. I want justice. But then say, look, I will not even think about the financial implication of it. I don't even want a gift. I don't want money. I don't want anything. Because I'm going to use that to go again. But because I know that that's not my aim, I have never set my eyes on anything TikTok on justice or bad until when I came on board. And I mean bold to say the only person to want to go and sort of buy in your country money by only lady bookie just here. And that is on Facebook. So I told them who you won't buy. Okay, lady, because I know her, she attended my show one time like that. Maybe somebody brought her or Scabo alone, I don't know. And that was just it. But I have utmost respect to every justice seeker on TikTok. You know what everybody do. Except to show me reason to suspect you. Enter. Everybody here, but it's not going to stop by myself because I know what I am doing. I know what I have as a structure, as a platform that I can rely on. Let me start with this particular voice stuff. Most of you had it before, but most of them, or where so I'm going to be playing about 2 or 3. This one starts with this guy, body. If I will not see the list of another we saw. If I go, carry own nonsense. those that mocked me, those that abused me, those that draw conclusion based on this nonsense you just said. And be quick in going. Don't know more. So this is truth. You can see what they have been doing to the cause of justice. It is much as a way justice in body or cause of justice is not just about social media. And it all rehabilitates law. When they talk camera, when you still on justice by. And it don't go through serious depression. To every or going, about a miss 3 hours. Only 1 hour. To everybody don't you feel low sorrow. And it's about I call them contemplating by going. I call them a shilly by coming to my call. Now, in Cotonou, I don't know because I don't follow up. She what's it began to suffer because so that the public will need to Yomi is working for the same campaign master as Akikisi. Yeah, what I number one is your office. Paymaster. I don't know what these people really think or what will bring what to sorrow. And you call any of it so long way. And I want to go. Again, I'm still working with who is the paymaster? Come on. If there is anybody who Bukijese is working with, and maybe our Alabara don't know what to Kumubado or you know watching the rituals or whatever it is that they have a hand in. And to our look at the nonsense she's dealing with her mouth. The only luck she's having now is that Jomilo Kondanko, if she had added your family, she would be seeing a serious civil suit. Same language you want to be with Jesus, some way down here. Only about any so get a sobo. Terrible. But those insults, in my opinion, whoever wants to sacrifice the mobile will get justice. To the case was spiritually laden, both in intricacy and family is so complex that whoever wants to penetrate it, bí ojú àwọn ẹ̀gbin pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀dọ̀tí báyìí owó ló gbà kọjá. You understand? Now that the same petition tó condemn me, ṣẹ̀wọ́ àti olùkọ́ ẹ̀ tán ní pé fake stamp gbogbo ẹ̀. Nígbà tí ó wá competition sí zone 2 tó tẹ̀sí ju state CID lọ. Tí mo wá ṣe àtúnkọ same further petition complaint, you all could see what they were making me go through. Ẹni mo tí mo là kọjá ní Lagos State Police Command. They are saying I didn't write petition to Panti. Meanwhile, Panti is also the Lagos State Police Command. And I still face the Commissioner of Police in Lagos State Police Command. Nígbà tí mo bá wọn ṣàgídí lórí same thing, tọ́ni pé wọn ò rí bíbí yìí ní sí. Wọ́n push ìdáwọ́ láyé lọ sí court. Maybe that will satisfy me and the case will die that way and I will not talk about it again. A lot of you do not know the reason why they charge the Damola to court. You have to sacrifice. This Yomi will not keep quiet, but will stage your own prosecution. When the one who commit here, calling Bojuko Laradura, Yomi will keep quiet as an NGO. Then we will pursue the case to court and if Yomi should complain and one law, Adura Lamalo. Adura that's supposed to be the suspect with Damola. But a commissioner of police, I will change it. Don't use Yomi, use Adura as complainant, and then pursue the case, take it to court, tell the Yomi that the case has been charged to court, and that will silence the Yomi. Yet she's saying that what they did was they went after I wrote a petition to Panti, which is a state's investigating department, criminal investigating department, under the same Lagos State Police Command. Same Lagos State Police Command. So they went like, if I not see your me, and you can stage a partner competition. See your Tadra and my okay. Our charity, Adra, but will carry your me along. So your people will not say they are not attending to me at the Lagos State Police Command until you will hear them. They know what they did. And at the end of the day, they stake that case and they say the case has been charged to court. By law, they expect that nobody should speak about it again because the Lagos State Police Command have charged anything that has to do with the 3 seconds video and the shots to Oba Magistrate Court. One expects to be done as the court where I came out of Akebe. I said, obtaining by false pretense and impersonation only Belosi of Magistrate Court. Beside the confession and the evidence, I am sorry, this Lagos State Police Command, you did not touch on it. I am not satisfied, and I wrote another petition to the Aya Police Command. Meanwhile, this caused in commercial the borders of follow Babura. A ball of the competition for sure. And I keep going to the same Lagos State Police Command. To the one more yato. Panti is Lagos State Police Command. It is just the investigating department under the Commissioner of Police. So by standard, Office Commissioner of Police, Ibe Omanda Yato CBT, Bobo investigation on the state to Mangwa, so Office Commissioner of Police, our department on that here. For controlling and administration of police in that state. But any criminal cases, they always separate the investigating department to another place so that they won't put all their security apparatus in one place. So they don't know the difference. So having written to Panti is still the same as writing to Commissioner of Police. Normally the same case, harmonize it, and then still under the same Commissioner of Police. But at that point, she doesn't know. They went ahead. When they got charged with Damola in their BBNC of Magistrate Court, which line, but towards this stage, Adura will stop attending the court. I don't want to be one, second adjournment, third adjournment. Since they want to Damola, then he will be able to walk free if they throw the case out. was what the stage. And that was what Break the Silence Foundation and myself said, we are not accepting. We are pursuing justice for Mohbad. And the whole Commissioner of Police is pursuing impersonation and OPT. The same command to investigate Mohbad. They saw the new lead, we notified them, and they brushed it away, and they were pursuing a lesser crime. That was why we got to Zonal Command, AIG's office. They saw the petition, they said, this is true. You have a good case, we'll investigate that for you, and then we'll take the next step. By the time the investigation got underway, Totin Lojubo, penetrating that, arrest, anything. The AIG is interested in justice for Mohbad as at that time. He ordered the investigation and arrest of Damola and Adura. And we eventually got both of them. By the time the proper investigation was to go underway, extension. Monday to a kiss extension for another 15 days so that as it breaking where is it that we see can any chance láti process Adura àti Damola. Baba Mohbad got there on that Monday, and the next thing is they take the case, they return it back to the same party, saying that since I have written to party before that a directive came from above that they should take the case in zone 2 back to party and they should treat my case there where they have every power. That was why I followed the case back to same party, and this lady, without no substance or truth, no iota of truth in the old nonsense she's saying here, when in case you don't live in power, well, now, where are the conscience of people? Now that they realize that we now went back to the same party to follow up on the case. In that we are at the party, see, at the AIG, at the party, the petition tackle. And that was where they said, now we have your petition, you have come to write your statement here. Now, this suspect have been brought here. They brought Adura and Damola from zone 2. The police officers, they took them back to party for continuation of the investigation. But it is clear that party talk below here, one in Bitanti, that of a Brazilian, to be a lot of power. If anyone to practice mobile, that's it. So, one way, see, you have a family efficient party, the Lagos State Police Command. That case can never see the light of the day. So, they said, let them transfer it there, then they will be scoping him. That we are working on it, it cannot force them to do what they don't want to do. When they now did that, and I saw what they are doing, suddenly and lucky, some group of people, I don't know who they are now, they found a way to call me and tell me some certain things. They want me to be involved in some certain things. Those things I know it will affect Ashwaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu, it will affect the APC, it will affect the reputation of the president. I said no. In me, I'm a loyal breed. I cannot be part of this. Who are you people? Let me know your background. Let me know what is going on. But because of my experience, I know they are careful, they are timing, and they block everything to know who they are. But they told me what is on ground. Let me see fully. They said no. If I accept, then we will meet not in Nigeria, in a neutral country. They will come open to me, and then if I'm ready to do it, I said no. When I noticed that, I said no problem. Mohbad will get justice, and that was why the case, I had to report the case to the president in Abuja. But I went through diplomatic routes. I quickly ran to London to notify the president that maybe this is an opportunity to pay back. This is what is going on. This Mohbad's case and the power that is controlling the Lagos State Police Command is an order from above. They are linking it to you. First and foremost, I need to know if truly you are the order from above that is saying that Mohbad should be denied justice and covering up and shielding the murderer and the murderers. It's a syndicate, a criminal syndicate, no idea, right? But they will all be be fished out very shortly. Now I notified the president, and then the result was the directive given by the presidency that no, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu is not part of whoever is trying to say it is the president or is the other from above. He is trying to come clean. And they immediately gave a directive. Hello, big case here, crow. And Lagos State and duplicate here. He thought what about the original case? And this is a new lead. Whoever is found guilty, only case has the answer. Harmonize everything that to do with the case, send it to court immediately. And that is the directive that is standing now. Nothing has changed. So that's the worst I got to see again. By the time those experts, professionals, did what they want to do in Lagos and in Abuja, when they went to take all the case file, maybe in the process, they found some names they felt like they should contact. Because if you didn't have the case in Roni, the head of homicide in Lagos, O.C. Ibrahim, I want to watch the case for bad rights. They know what they did. They must have contacted the people involved. That, hey, the president has given the order that they should harmonize. It's a strong, just by letter. It's a powerful order that the police at that time, they have no choice than to obey. It's a directive of the presidency. That means on the order of the president, and they must obey. Any attempt to do otherwise is treason. They obeyed and they backed every evidence. And through investigation in the case, they backed it and they took it to Lagos. These experts in Lagos, in Abuja, they have to look into the case first hand. Now it has now become their own case. So they cannot decide who committed this until they investigate. And then they will know that they have to follow the new lead. Adura, Damola, the phone, and the confession. If it now leads to more, they will now harmonize everything and track the case to court. That is the story. So by the time those ones they formed, those they can inform, I think they went straight to Abuja because they know where they went. They came to pick up the case, and all they did was do not inform Yomi Fabiyi. Don't inform the petitioner. Pretend nothing happened. And not because of that only, because they said Yomi Fabiyi is out of the country. That is the excuse we will give. In fact, there is no way he will know, because even if he complains while he's abroad, they have an excuse. That's of the presidency. He is a petitioner. He's in abroad. He didn't come back. He's abroad. He didn't come back to write statements. He didn't come to give us briefing. That's why we have not been able to go and effect arrests. Mistake is so late in your hand. And officer that they want the case IPO. And make sure your presidency case because without the petitioner and complainant coming to write statements, there is no way they can act. Even the presidency or anybody will know that there is a good excuse for them. But the Yomi Fabiyi of a person, we understand, is still in London. He has not come yet, and he cannot send statements from abroad. He has to come down. So at that point in time, they will keep coming to my comment section. They are looking for you. DSS are looking for you. When they see you in Nigeria, they keep threatening me so that I will not want to come back to Nigeria. I don't know. Conspiracy is a when I'm ready to come to Nigeria, I'll come. Until the full forensic of King White came out, and that's Sami. We understand he's still in London. He has not come yet, and he cannot send statements from abroad. He has to come down. So at that point in time, they will keep coming to my comment section. They are looking for you. DSS are looking for you. When they see you in Nigeria, they keep threatening me so that I will not want to come back to Nigeria. I don't know. Conspiracy is a that I'm still interested in Nigeria. When I'm ready to come to Nigeria, I'll come until the full forensic of King White came out. And that's Sammy Jojo or whatever it is that to feel of a shake and you. But she lost CBT. Almost apparently she covered me to a one more, which is the Lagos State Police Command party. But maybe we can get the help of these people to do one or two things to finish your FAB. Guy was about this man. You know the case where you're bringing here has been sent. They've come to collect it. Everything. Presidency have given the order. They've come to take it. It's in Abuja now. He doesn't even know what pushed him. And God had to make him come open that he's an enemy so that I'll be able to believe him when he came up with that information. Ola Adura, Spirit Mubad, Onja. Because Chikobati Pharaoh, 3 days before then, one of the police officers just said, you're in case I want to act big. What's your big? What's your Abuja? Okay. I thought that one was deceiving me. They don't want me to come to the other side again. I did not. Okay, but I saw later. I didn't believe that police officer. Oh no, call the home, so for me. Then 3 days after, that's Sammy Jojo out of Overjabo Jew. But Spirit Mobile notes away. That's the information I needed to get. But it's a way. Case meaning party. Case not transfer to see Abuja. But a more in contempt. Nígbà tí mo ti ju level yẹn lẹ̀ ni mo ti gbéra pé bí mo gbà tó máa dáhùn sí. But I know it's going to take effect. And after it takes effect, they will come for my son. They are going to come for me because ọmọ pa Abuja ti kéésì yẹn lọ yẹn ó ti kọjá ibi tó tó sí. Ibi gbogbo ibi tó lo gbogbo connection yẹn sí. And don't let us deceive ourselves. As at that time, the only place they would have spent their money, their connection is the Lagos State Police Command. Because our only jurisdiction by KCO Silabuja. If there is any reason to even probably speak to the Inspector General Police, but in real sense, any original jurisdiction is Lagos State Police Command. So they will never think at any point in time the case will get to Abuja. So no way the people in Abuja, they know about the case. Because Lagos State Commissioner of Police has the legal jurisdiction on that case. Because the Lagos State government, if I prosecute the case here, it was the Lagos State Commissioner of Lagos State Police Command who investigates to my before Commissioner of Lagos State Government, because it's state police. So they rely on the Commissioner, Lagos State Police Command, as the de facto Lagos State Police. So, if they don't know what is happening, but the homicide and the state CID, they know because they down on the KCO. Immediately, they quickly ran up Corona inquest. That the president is not interested in anything other than the case of Mohbad should be harmonized and they should prosecute all the suspects that have a hand in the death of the boy. And that is what they want. And that is the only thing that can save this government when it is time. You come out back, to my body, the case in the court. But look, flimsy evidence. They must take it to court with authentic evidence. So that they will not use it to destroy the legacy of this Baba. Because now going forward, the reputation of the president they'll be going for it, except a decisive decision is taken. It will be so terrible. To actually believe that the president, the father of the nation, is taking sides with murderers. Because anybody to talk about case so at the law governor of Lagos State. president in Nigeria or somebody close to the family of the president. Àwọn olè máa dánwò kọ́ báyìí wò ní abẹ́ ìjọba ìwúrò wọn yẹn. Because nobody can make an attempt in a case that involves millions upon millions of Nigerians. This Mohbad's case is so obvious. The fact of the case is too direct and plain. The role the wife played, and it's over no one who go in the man of so all those nonsense, because the Mohbad direct, but do you have a hand? Are you accessory after the fact? Do you play a part? Every Yoruba person will know that you were 23-year-old. Talk about no one who go send it only for a national for go to so Yorori, or for any Kumbe and go to see that go bound to see. They go touch proceed the way. If you don't have a hand, nobody can make you do that nonsense. Now, the case is now domiciled in Abuja. So time to have him where he been what you want with Baba Mohbad no. He was properly and officially invited. But you know, he didn't know what pushed him. He said, "In that I'm be. She didn't want to pay me. I want to pay. Oh, Bombay. Oh, I don't know where he can eat him down. I want to see Loimbo. My son could not go to school. I have to be babysitting. I can't take a 3-year-old to UK. So see Yambe. It will be not small because you must be steps ahead. You don't wait until the danger gets close to you before you move. It might be a colossal loss. Because I have some strong intelligent community too. They may not rely on. But in one banana, I come from instruction. Come out from me to my money. To come and share the money. We cannot come direct to him. But it's like, oh no, like it. So sometimes I don't joke with intel. If you give credible information, you take to it quickly. Now, the case got to Abuja. Immediately I got it from that Sami Toketo Biko. That was the intel and credible information I needed. I immediately said, now let me go back. Let me reconfirm fully and officially now. I wrote via WhatsApp to the OC homicide, SB Ibrahim. The party is being transferred now. But excuse me, sir. Is it true that my case has been transferred? And he wrote back and said, yes. Based on your petition to the presidency, they've come to collect it for harmonization and prosecution. So the case is in Abuja. I said, which department? And he was able to answer, okay, then I should speak with one SP Gafar. And he was able to come clean and plain. I said, okay, no problem. I'll go and pursue my case in Abuja. Because when the case was transferred back, that is zone 2, and he told me in clear terms, he said, Mr. Yomi, this one that you pursue the case to zone 2, and they returned it back to us. If nothing happened here, now you won't go again. I said, will something not happen here? Are you saying Mohbad will not get justice here? I know what is going on there, they transfer me back. But I am still believing that is where the truth and justice will come. It's okay. If you know better, I said, if you let me know better. You look at it down. The lawyer came. One lawyer was standing for Adura and Damola at the same time. They began to drill me. We're drilling ourselves. I mean, I'm a lawyer. I stood my ground. I point out where they need to activate the case. I think they went to tell the Deputy Commissioner of Police that is there now in Panti. They said they should send in 2 different lawyers in the afternoon session. And the joke was a canteen. I think I'm jail get that anyway. The lady is up there. I'm getting on get me. I want to know get on for one cover me about Obama. But if they come on social media to say nonsense about me, at the end of the day, the two lawyers came in, said, we've argued, we fought, and they said, okay, you know what? You, Damola, you are now confirming that you deleted the evidence. You deleted what? If you have a week or so, I'm telling you guys, nobody knows tomorrow. The statement that was written by Damola in the appeal, additional statement to I stood my ground. Making people spend more time in that crash meeting. That yes, the OC and the SP Gaval, maybe still in party, were leading interrogation in. The video, see your subject that wrapped up when that was sold to you, that was in the phone. Where is the video? The lawyer was giving him sign, but the lawyer here, so he now said, I've deleted it. He said, when did you delete it? And the police officers in Commissioner of Police Office, do they have it? But I deleted it before I even left the house, before I was arrested and taken to Ogogo police station. Oh, you deleted it, so no police officer saw it. He said, I deleted it, yes. Then the lawyer made you at KBC, said, for that statement, he needs to admit that as an additional statement. Said, yes, of course. Then I will not buy the way you talk now. So you have to, number one, you will state that you've deleted this in the statement. And then you finish that run. The lawyer said, the Adra has nothing to do with it. I said, no. What does it have anything to do? The video of how Mohbad was murdered sat in the phone with him. He said, hey, it's not the video. It's not the video. I said, the video in question sat with Adra for a long time. He went to police to write statement. Does he have a statement here? Oh, no. Put him down. You interviewed him. And you let your case Mohbad Batibere. What did he tell you? Did he tell you he has a video of where Wunmi, Mohbad, and Zomo were in the same video and there was violence? How many times have we invited you to come to the show? Maybe the video, it doesn't attach importance to it. I said, and you called yourself a lawyer. They are treating the homicide, the death of his brother. He saw a video where the wife is violent towards somebody. Mohbad was there. And the shout is not important. Where is the video now? He must provide it. He's already ancestry after the fact, and you know it. And that was where they said, okay, now in this meeting we agreed that the guy Zomo will need to be arrested, brought in here, and then Adura, you're going to be coming back, and you're going to be coming back. But because of the Ramadan stuff, you guys will need to go. And then when we are done with our own preliminary investigation, the officer has said, I will be going to our other office in Commissioner of Police. That phone, make sure that it's inside that phone you delete it, because we will recover it. He said, I deleted it. He said, you are going to go and write that statement now. And he wrote to that effect and signed that he deleted the evidence. But the police said, in spite of that, you have just said you committed a crime. We will do our best to recover the video. They said that to me, they said we should go. When I noticed that that was the stage stuff, they might not do anything, I said, you want to protest in Banting. That was when they began to plan for me. But if your issue stage in protest in Banting, they don't want them to get notified in Abuja. Protest in Lagos Assembly, they don't want it to land because they don't want them to know in Abuja so that they will pick interest. So that was the beginning of a time they want to beat my son. And then the moment I began to speak to the public that we need to do billboard in Lagos and Abuja, then the next thing is, if that case, these people are very spiritual. They know if you get to Abuja. But the only way they can stop me is to kidnap my son and then force me to withdraw. So immediately we got to know, we had to quickly start making arrangements. So immediately I got the visa for my son, and I realized that the timing was so late, and they've already ambushed me and they said I should come to State SCID, State Intelligence Department. They've sponsored another onslaught against me. The Office Commissioner of Police, State Intelligence Department. That was when I was shouting the name of one ACB, Joseph Jayoba.
ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́ yìí o ẹ bá mi fi ọ̀rọ̀ kan hàn lábẹ́ comment section mo tún padà bọ̀ fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yìn tó gbígbà ọkọ̀ lélẹ̀ tẹ̀ kọ́mà kọ́ sí péjì ẹ subscribe sílẹ̀ ilé Global TV kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ bá mi share fídíò yìí kẹ́ wá fi ọ̀rọ̀ kan hàn lábẹ́ comment section mo tún padà bọ̀ ire o.